Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X30 and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power key and then once you see your boot options, let's try that again. Do I need to press this? Yeah, I do. So once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode. So let's confirm by tapping on OK and let's wait for the device to reboot. Now, while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly explain what this mode does. So in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications, and not even all, will be functioning. Any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. And I assume the reason for this is if you, for instance, are an app developer maybe, and you created some app that just completely breaks your phone to the point that you just cannot get rid of it, maybe does whatever it does, you can boot it into safe mode and this app will not be able to start up and mess around with your phone, giving you the option to remove it, for instance, or fix whatever the problem was. And as you can see, once it boots up, you have this watermarking at the bottom, safe mode, and you can see that on your home screen you'll have a couple apps, for instance like this Netflix. And this is a default app that comes with the device, but as you can see it's kind of grayed out. This probably won't be the only app, or maybe it will. Yep, it looks like it will. So it looks like this is the only app like this. But if you have obviously other apps that have installed yourself and placed on the home screen, they will show up here as well. For some reason, when the device is in safe mode, it removes these apps from showing up in the app drawer, but keeps them on the home screen as this grayed out kind of thing. But even if so, if you press on it, it gives you this message, so downloaded apps disabled in safe mode, so you cannot launch it even if you want to. So there you go, that's our safe mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to go back to normal mode, you would just hold your power key again, select this button and then choose restart. This will reboot your device and go back to normal mode. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.